Hi guys, I want to show you what I did on this project about access control system. So it's based on an Arduino Nano. It's inside here, a small Arduino Nano, but I modified that Arduino Nano to become like Arduino Uno because I damaged it a little bit and the power supply was getting hot. So I used an I2C programmer to just convert it to Arduino Uno. So basically this is a small box that I did with an LCD 16:2. You have a servo motor to imitate the opening and closing of a door. I'm having here a solenoid lock, a 12 volts version, an adapter power supply, and some tags. These are you scan your tag. So when you power it on, let's see what happens. Let's check a little bit. Let me power it on nicely. My plug is terrible. Okay, all is ready. So I already programmed it. You can use the tags to program it. This button here helps you erase the master card. So you have to have a master card. It saves data on the EEProm. So your ID tags are basically saved in the EEProm. So even if you power it off, still you have the data. You still have the tags data there. Access denied. The log. It also has a Bluetooth module that streams data to my phone when I'm Bluetooth. I'll also share that with you, like real time and with the RTC, of course. So it has timestamps of the logs. So I'll share that with you. This is the MasterCard. Don't use it. Access denied. Access denied. Access granted. Yes. So if I want to add another card, I add the MasterCard and add it successfully. Put the MasterCard. Put the MasterCard again. I put the MasterCard. Yes. Let's see if it was successful adding itself. Was it this one? No, it wasn't successful. Let me try it again. Okay. 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 Now it's added. So now I have two tags. And one can't access. So denied access. Okay, to rest everything in the mouse, you long press this for 10 seconds. You hold there. Then you'll have to restart the system. MasterCard rest. So you restart the system, switch it off. switched on. Now it's the last MasterCard definition. And I want to use this like my MasterCard. That's all. So see, you don't essentially lose the other things, but you have the MasterCard is redefined. This was still denied. This was also still saved in the EEProm. This was the previous MasterCard, so it's denied now. Now this is the new MasterCard. See. Okay guys, thanks for watching. This video is poor, but thank you for watching. You can ask me any questions, and I want to see some comments in your comments down there. Just please comment if you want to know something or a question. Okay, thanks. About the Bluetooth that I showed you logs, yeah, it is. So there's one trial. You see, that's the data. I'm getting the ID tag. Getting the access is denied. If I'm trying another ID, let me see. See, there's another ID. The time that I tried to access, denied. Day, month, year, second, even the second. So it's a pretty something handy for data logging. So you're streaming your data live. That's the MasterCard. So you can have all those logs. That's accessed. Yes, you can hear that sound. Access denied. Access denied. Accessed. So guys, this is just simply using an HC05 Bluetooth module to stream data, and an RTC that's a 32, 31 real-time clock, and then Atmega 328, of course, with this log. So guys, let me hear about your comment to see how it's a beautiful log. Data logging, access control time. Okay, it's not hacker proof, but it's pretty good. It can work even on your small project. Yes. Okay, thank you for watching.